Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am showing and presenting beautiful messy pop haircut ideas. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel and watching first time my video, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notifications of my latest videos that I share to my channel daily. So guys, I hope you like my video today. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your favorite haircut and hairstyle with your favorite fashion hair color which are I am presenting in this video today. I hope you like the video today. Well, I am presenting on the messy, short haircut ideas which are going on trending and in fashion this season and going on trending in upcoming 2025 season as well. No doubt, these haircuts will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So, ladies, don't waste the time. Just take a screenshot of your favorite one hairstyle, or you can also download this video as well and go to your hairstylist and get your favorite hairstyle. And let me know also which hairstyle you select for yourself and with which hair color as well. Well, no doubt, these haircut will enhance the beauty of your personality after getting them. After getting these beautiful hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime, like kitty parties, functions, get togethers, fashion shows, wedding, to offices, to colleges, to public places, anywhere. I hope you liked the video today. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section and also you can share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video according to your choice and ideas. And if you like the video, then you can share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support is really honor to me and keep me energetic to make video for you guys according to your choice. And again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a great hair day.